Hi, I'm Paula Pierce, and this is How to Make Play-Doh Without Cooking. Well, kids love Play-Doh. Everybody knows that. Unfortunately, they also love to leave the caps off of the jars and let things dry out and get all crumbly. So you may go through a lot of Play-Doh. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own Play-Doh at home without cooking. You will need 1 cup of water, 3 cups of flour, 1½ cups of salt, and 1/4 cup of oil. And if you would like to, you can use some food coloring. You'll also need a bowl and a spoon. Place the flour and salt in a bowl. Mix thoroughly. Add water, food coloring, and oil, and mix this until the clay forms. You may need to adjust the water a bit and knead it a little bit. That's all there is to it. You can store your clay in a plastic container or a Ziploc bag, and it will stay fresh for a couple of weeks.